And we're in the entire week now of Netzach, which we explained in the previous class that Netzach can be Nitzchiyut, eternal, but Netzach can also be Nitzachon. Nitzachon means victory and success. And the last class about Chesed Shebenetzach, we're explaining about how it's our nature that we want to be successful. Nobody wants to do anything with the aim to be a failure. People don't open a business and say, in a year from now, this business is going to be a total failure. And so when you start something, it's always in the thought that this has to be successful. Business, relationship, investment, whatever it is. Why? Because we have in us a drive to be winners, to be successful. So last class we were talking about that this drive in us to be successful is called Netzach. And the chesed is to do it with the right emotion, with love. But Gevurah, which Gevurah is strength and severity, then one can interpret it that people, they fight in order to win. And I'm not necessarily talking about a physical fight, but in order for me to win, I have to put a fight. I have to put an effort. You can use the word effort, you can use also the word fight, because if I want to be a winner, I have to fight. But nevertheless, every game has rules. If the game doesn't have rules, you can't play the game. How would you play a game without a rule? Now, why do we have rules in the game? And we're now going to refer to the real games of this world. In order for me to, so to say, point the right power, the right effort to the right direction. If not, then you just throw power or an effort to different directions, and then you lose the point of the game. Point of the game, these are the rules. If you take a game, for example, in sport, if the rule in football is to put the ball in the goalie, then all my effort has to be directed, how am I putting the ball in there? If there wouldn't be rules, then I would just kick the ball to any direction I want. But what would define the victory here? So in every game in the world, a childish game, a simple game, or a serious game, there has to be rules. And the rules is only so I can focus the effort to one place where that effort has to go. I need to take all this effort and put it in one place to focus it, to direct this effort only so I can win. But this will only work if I go by the rules. If I don't go by the rules, all my effort is for nothing. And unfortunately, most people, they're trying to break the rules in any type of a game. Sports game, business, anytime. I mean, I call it a game. Because in games there are winners, there's losers, there's rules, and everybody likes playing them. But if you go by the rules, that's what's going to make you successful. If you go against the rules and you throw your effort, you put your effort and your focus on the wrong place, there's not going to be success there.